In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT plugins. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive into it. Plugins are a fantastic way to enhance your interaction with ChatGPT, allowing you to customize and extend the capabilities of the model. So let's start from the beginning. First things first, you'll want to head over to ChatGPT's official website. Open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. It's the starting point for everything we're about to do. Now, once you're on the site, look for an option labeled More. This is usually located in the main navigation area. Click on it. This should lead you to an array of additional features and tools that ChatGPT offers. Next, you want to find and click on GPTs. This will take you to a new interface where you can easily access all the different plugins available. This interface is super user-friendly and designed to make your experience more seamless. Once you're in the GPTs section, you'll see a list of available plugins. This is the fun part. Browse through the selections and choose the plugin that you want to work with today. For demonstration purposes, let's say I'm selecting a specific plugin that catches my interest. Just click on it to explore its features and benefits. After selecting the plugin, look for the button that says Start Chat. Clicking this will initiate a conversation using your chosen plugin. And there you go. You're now engaged in a chat with your plugin, ready to explore its unique capabilities. Using plugins can make your chats much more dynamic and tailored to your needs. For example, if you've selected a plugin designed for travel advice, you can start asking about destinations, accommodations, and activities right away. Remember, the plugins can cover a variety of topics, anything from coding help, writing assistance, educational resources, and much more. Just be sure to explore and see what fits your needs best. To summarize, you start by visiting ChatGPT's website, navigate to More, click on GPTs, select your desired plugin, and finally, hit Start Chat. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to learn more about regarding ChatGPT plugins, be sure to drop a comment below. Remember, the world of AI and plugins is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Happy chatting!